you're a 10th grader like me, writing lab records is so long and we do get tired sometimes. So I guess in CBSE we are given a lab manual to copy it into our record, if I'm not wrong. So it's not about what you write, it's about how fast and how neatly we can complete it. So today I'll be sharing my best tips to finish lab record faster, keep it neat and get the full marks. So let's jump into this video. I guess this situation is familiar to all of you. Lab records are so boring and it's already printed but still we have to copy it. But then you have to write because practical marks matters a lot in your boards also. So the real challenge comes is that how to complete it without getting stuck for many hours. So here are my smart tips, tested and trusted. So the tip number 1 is plan before you write. So before doing anything or before writing, firstly you have to plan about what you're writing or what you're doing. So before you even open your lab record book, first open your lab manual book and then highlight the sections like aim, apparatus, procedure, results, observations and etc. things. So you can plan about what you're writing also and then know that which experiment you can complete faster. For example, in science, what is the thing is that we have biology, physics, chemistry. So in these three, which one you can complete faster? You should plan for this. So plan smarter, write faster. The tip number 2 is write in points, not in paragraphs. So in lab manuals, sometimes we have long sentences, paragraphs and all. But you should make sure that you don't copy word by word like a storybook. Instead, write them in short and clear points. So, for example, placed lens on optical bench. Adjusted screen for clear image. Short points, saves time, looks neat and teachers love it because they can chuck it so easy. The tip number 3 comes is that draw the diagrams first. Remember that when you're fresh, your hand and mind works faster. So the first things which you should do is that draw the diagrams first for all the experiments. Because when you're tired, writing is easier than drawing. Also remember, diagrams can give easy marks if they are neat, clean and they are labeled. Highlight only the main headings. So highlight or underline only the main headings like aim, apparatus, procedure, results, and no need to decorate the pages with colors. So when you highlight or underline the main headings, it makes your book look clean and professional too. As use timer, in the other words, I can also say it as Pomodoro method. So use a timer on your phone and 25 minutes of pure writing plus 5 minutes of break. So this technique is also called as Pomodoro method. So this keeps you focused and prevents you from getting laziness. So I'll also give you some bonus tips. Keep a small motivational sticky note near your desk like one experiment is equal to 10 marks, which is closure to my dreams. So little things like this keep your energy high even in your low moments. So that's how I complete my lab records faster, neater and without getting stressed. I hope these tips also helps you too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe Kriti Journey and comment below that fast writer squad. See you in the next video. Until then, work smart, keep shining and stay positive. Bye-bye.